Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M31s, and let me show you how to change the volume buttons function on the camera app in this device. So first of all, we have to enter the camera app, and now let's check for what volume buttons are responsible for. So let me press the volume down buttons and volume up button, and as you can see, they've got their normal function applied, so all they are doing is simply to volume up or volume down the sound. If you want to change it, just tap on the settings icon in the left upper corner, and here we have to scroll to the useful features section and find shooting methods. Let's tap on it, and on the very first position we've got press volume key too, so let's tap on it in order to check the options. And here we've got 3 options to choose from. Now we've got system volume applied, and I've just shown it to you, but we can also set to take a picture or record video or to zoom. So of course I will show you both options. So let me pick the first one, for example. As you can see, it is immediately applied, so we can go back to the camera, and now let me press the buttons. And as you can see, from now on I can take photos only using the volume buttons. Now let me check another option, so let's go back to the settings and let's choose zoom. Now let's get back to the camera, and as you can see, from now on I can easily zoom in and zoom out using volume buttons. So actually that's all. This is how to change the function of volume buttons in your Samsung Galaxy M31s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.